Thunder Mountain is back after 16 long months. They've got new track, new trains, new scenes, a whole brand new bat cave that would make Bruce Wayne salivate, and as an attractions cast member, I tend to look at things through the rosiest of tinted glasses. So today we're answering the question that really matters. Was the long wait really worth it?
Every smile, spark of light, a tale we'll always share. Magic in the air tonight, it's everywhere.
Howdy partners! We are back in the Magic Kingdom today because it's a very special day. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad has finally reopened. Oh, looky here. This is absolutely gorgeous. And the lines are absolutely berserk. There's a 60-minute wait. Okay. That's interesting. I'm gonna have to inquire about where to begin. Looks like we're gonna have to go all the way down here to the very end of the line, all the way along these construction walls, where they blocked off what used to be the Rivers of America and Tom Sawyer Island. One thing you definitely learn as you stand in very long lines at Walt Disney World is patience. Patience is a virtue, and it is one of the fruits of the spirit, as we read about in Galatians. But of course, you're gonna need a lot of it when you're standing in a long line like this. I've been in here for 30 minutes. They said it was a 60-minute wait, and I'm not even to the first stair step of the rest of the queue. I'm thinking it's not quite gonna be 60 minutes. Been in line 30 minutes, and I'm just now reaching the sign. Glad they got this in here because it is hot outside. So once we got into the main sections of the mining facility here, the line has picked up its pace significantly. We've been in line 45 minutes and we're already almost to the trains. Ooh, it's my favorite thing. Kaboom. Oh yes! I used to love this bit. You crank the thingy, and hopefully, when the train goes by, it blows up, or something blows up. I don't know. Hey, it worked! The trick is to try to do it by when the train goes by. You can see down the scope into the mineshaft. That's cool. Prospector's Pit. Uh-huh. Here we are, finally going down further into the mine shaft to board the train. I hear the train a-coming. It's going around the bend. I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. It's the same guy. I love this guy. Your kids. Here we go. Oh. Still as loud as ever. That's why they call it Thunder Mountain. This Lord does suck loud. Okay, here we go. Woohoo! There we go! Wow, that is smooth! Woohoo! Donkey! Boo! Geese! Boo! Green back. Oh, yeah.
I don't know.
There's the big mountain. Here's the goat. Here's the goat. Woohoo! Up and over. Woohoo! Is that dynamite? There's gold and then there's hills. There we go. Woohoo! Oh, Lord! Woohoo! Okay. There we go. The boneyard. All right. All righty. I'm not so sure how I feel about that. Still feels very much the same as how it was, as I remember as a kid. Maybe this is me just experiencing it as a more grown adult. Because it's been literal years since I've ridden this attraction. So, I don't know. Yeah, it feels different. Definitely. Very, very smooth. The old, I guess, track system, whatever it was, what they refurbished it into, it's very, very, very smooth. But the old system, you know, it was really rattly. It really felt like at any moment the train could go off the rails, and that's what made it extra thrill factor. Felt a little bit slower than I remember. Now, I don't know if that's just because I'm bigger and my body can take more G-forces than it used to, or if it's actually slower. It may be actually a little bit slower because, as we noticed, the height requirement has been lowered to 38 inches. It used to be 40 or 42, something like that. Editor, what was it? What was it before? I don't know. I do love the updates that they made to the interior of the caves, particularly the giant gold nugget, kind of the heart of Big Thunder Mountain, that giant piece of gold there in the second tunnel. That was really, really cool. The first cave that you go up into, that lift, is still loud as ever. I think I read somewhere that they've got in there something like 2,000 bats. Opening day, which was now 5 days ago, they had a little bit of a mishap. It caught fire. That's right, the brakes apparently caught fire there on the track. And so, of course, had to shut everything down. There's probably clips all over the internet now of cast members rushing in with the fire extinguishers. That's the great thing about working for the Disney company, is safety is always the top priority. They ingrain it into our minds. Safety begins with me. If you're safe, keep others around you safe. So Disney professionals, Disney attractions personnel are always trained in safety. So of course, fix the issue. I don't think there's been an incident since. I mean, it's the first week of its being open, so it'd be rather concerning if it was continually messing up. So overall outlook on the update for Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, I think it is a tremendous improvement. Doesn't feel as fast as I remember it being. Granted, I'm much more grown up now than I was years ago when I last rode it. So it's been a good number of years since I've actually properly experienced it. So it is different, but not altogether unpleasant, and certainly is not lacking in any magic making department. At least we know it is still a highly beloved attraction, and it is now open for business at Walt Disney World. I'm super excited, and I hope you guys are too. Write down in the comments what kinds of attractions you think are coming out and what you want to see from me, and I will see if I can actually get myself out there and go and experience them on your behalf, because I know it's expensive to come to Disney World. If you enjoyed this video, of course, please be sure to like, leave a comment if you'd like to know of anything else that you'd like me to explore as we go into the summer here at Walt Disney World, and of course, have a magical Disney day.
Worlds collide and hearts unite with stories we all know. Every smile, a spark of light, a tale we'll always share. Magic in the air tonight, it's everywhere.